Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On this occasion, I remember three P's: precious, priceless, and proud. We, the family of GNVS IOM, take these moments as priceless, precious, and to feel proud of because we are hosting the first ever virtual international conference, though it is our third international conference. It's a matter of pride for all my colleagues and the family of GNVS Institute of Management. It's a glad welcome. We, the family at GNVS Institute of Management, bring to you this morning filled with the desires, hopes, and dreams we all share. I, Dr. R.K. Sally, Director, GNVS Institute of Management, extend to you all our warmest welcome, dear research scholars, delegates, colleagues, students, and above all, our guests. On behalf of our Guru Nanak Vidyak Society, our trust, President Shri Manjeet Singh Bhatti, Board of Trustees, my team, and dear students, it's my privilege and honor to welcome the chief guest this morning, Dr. Rajan Mehrotra, the coach, mentor, and guide of international stature for academia and business leaders alike. And I also welcome today's keynote speaker and guest of honor, Dr. Anupama Wagh-Kopa. She is the Innovation Director, L'Oreal Vihon Asia, based at Tokyo, Japan. And I also welcome the keynote speaker, second keynote speaker, and guest of honor, Ms. Chaya Sehgal, the president of Bombay Management Association and our esteemed conference partner. Warm welcome to them at the inauguration of the third International Research Virtual Conference being held today, the 6th June 2020, and the theme of the conference is Building Core Competencies, Disrupting the Disruptors. Dear delegates, would humbly seek your pardon for any technical glitches some of you might face in the course of the day because our team, organizers, and student volunteers don't have access to institute IT infrastructure and have been and or are working from their respective homes because of mobility constraints of COVID-19. To add to our woes, 3 days back, Nisarga cyclone disrupted the life in New Mumbai area, where our faculty members and some of the students are residing, and that's why we had to take care of the adversities created by the Nisarga cyclone. Friends and colleagues, we feel honored that this conference has been organized in esteemed partnership with the University of Mumbai, Shri JJT University, and Bombay Management Association. On this occasion, we convey our sincere gratitude for the support and cooperation of our valuable partners. Ladies and gentlemen, theme of the conference is so apt because in these VUCA times, disruptions are the new normal, and disrupting the disruptors and converting them into opportunities calls for exceptional competencies among academia, researchers, business fraternity, and the budding managers at business schools. We all find and see day in, day out that disruptions are happening day in, day out. Let it be COVID-19, let it be geopolitical issues between nations, let it be environmental issues, let it be paradigm shifts in all the fields of life. Ladies and gentlemen, I say it with a great sense of satisfaction that our virtual research conference has been very well received by all the stakeholders and has got an overwhelming response of 75 research papers. Actually, we had received 92 plus research papers, but we could accept 75 research papers, including two papers from Europe. And these two researchers will be making their presentation during the course of the day today. In the course of the day, 37 research papers will be presented, and a glance through the list of presentations reveals the amazing diversity of topics. Friends, I take this opportunity to convey my appreciation to my well-deserving team for their rich contribution towards this conference, despite all the constraints, and would like to make special mention of the superlative contribution by Dr. Ketan Veera, our Dean, Dr. Lata, our Senior Finance Faculty, Dr. Sneha, convener of the conference, and Dr. Usha, co-convener of the conference. Let's give them a big round of applause. Would also express my deep appreciation for the valuable contribution by Dr. Abuzar and Dr. Deepa Manoj in creating and operationalizing the IT support despite college infrastructure not being available and despite the COVID constraints. And I also salute the excellent work put in by the enthusiastic band of student volunteers. Friends and guests, I am confident that this conference will receive excellent feedback from all participants and will prove to be a grand success. And in closing, I would encourage the delegates to participate actively in the interesting discussions over the research paper presentations, and I'm looking forward to enriching outcomes from this conference. Welcome again, everyone. Thank you, good luck, and Jai Hind.